What's up, YouTube friends? So today I decided to pull out the dehydrator. I have not done a dehydrating video in quite some time, probably a couple years. Recently I've been cleaning out the canning closet and taking inventory of what I had, what I need, and what I need to throw away. And actually I came across all of these pickled peppers, and these were actually in the fridge out in the garage. But either way, they were taking up a lot of space. Now this one is actually pickled sriracha peppers. These are pickled jalapenos, and these two are cowboy candy, which is like a sweet, sour, pickled jalapeno. They're actually really tasty. My uncle makes these and gives us a jar every year, but clearly I don't get through them fast enough. So just to free up a few jars and to save a little space, I decided I'm going to dehydrate these instead. And it really couldn't be any easier. All I'm going to do is pop these open and drain them. And I'm going to put 1 jar per tray. I know this is only a little half pint, but that's okay. So I'm going to get most of this juice off. And then I just went ahead and I'm going to put my herb screen on my dehydrator. Just in case these happen to stick, it'll be a little easier to get off, but I don't think they will. And then I'm just going to spread these out evenly on the tray. So now I'm just going to go through here and make sure that they're all laying flat, that they're not overlapping or anything like that. We want good air circulation. So now I'm just going to do the next tray, and these are the pickled jalapenos. I'm not going to do it today, but you could save this brine. Throw some vegetables in a jar and do a quick refrigerator pickle. Alright guys, so this is actually going to take 5 trays. I don't have another screen, so I'm just going to set them right here on my rack. They're probably going to shrink down and fall through, but that's okay because they're just going to get caught by the tray underneath. Get the seeds too, there's a lot of heat in those. Now I'm just going to put my lid on here. I have my temperature at 135 degrees. That's for fruits and vegetables for my dehydrator. And I'm going to set this off in the garage for a few hours. I'll let you know how long, and I'll bring it back when I'm bagging them up. Alright guys, so it is actually the next morning. The ones that were candied actually took a lot longer to dry than just the normal ones. These were just plain pickled, and then these were the candy ones. You can see the difference. These did dry in about 6 to 8 hours. They were pretty dry and ready to go. These ones, however, I had to wait overnight. Now they still are soft, but they're not sticky. In hindsight, I probably should have rinsed off some of that syrup before I placed them on my dehydrator, but they're still fine. So now I'm just going to put them on. Can you get out of my shot, you tinky dog? So now I'm just going to put them on this piece of parchment paper just till they cool down and dry. Now originally I was going to mix these two together, but I think I'm going to keep them separate. So I just grabbed another piece of parchment paper. So the next thing I'm going to do is just let these cool down completely, and then I'll store them in a jar. Now I will just store them in a glass mason jar, and I actually have an attachment for my vacuum sealer so I can vacuum seal that and make sure it's nice and airtight. Now you could just about put these on anything. If you want to crunch up a few and put them in your chili, you could use it as seasoning for your meat. I think it would be good if you just sprinkled it on top of a salad if you like it spicy, or in a taco or burrito, anything like that, just as kind of like a garnish. You could grind them up and use them in your spice mixes and rubs. Really, the possibilities are endless. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit that big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a question about this video or any of my other videos, or would just like to leave a suggestion for a future upcoming video, leave me a comment. Feel free to share this video on your social medias. Check out my links down below if you'd like to support this channel. I actually realized the other day that the Etsy link that I was putting in my description was not working, but it is fixed now, at least on the last few videos that I've done. I have some Scrappy Patch can koozies as well as some 20-ounce tumblers over there if you'd like to check those out. And I also have my links to my social medias down below too. So as always, thanks for watching. Happy dehydrating. And I'll see you next time.